okay? It's coming out. It's almost coming out, so you gotta push it in. This is coming out. You gotta push it in.
Where push it in?
Push it in like that, see? Because it's coming out. How's it feel?
It's good. It's coming out.
Yep, it's going down. The tire, that is going down to the floor.
The whole car.
The whole car is coming down.
When you do that, Ari.
And then when it touches the floor, I gotta go tighten the wheel. She's coming out again. You gotta push it in. Like that.
Where it's gonna touch the floor?
Not yet. I'll let you know. You gotta get. I told Mama to get you the seat. It's hard to be. You have to get the little white bench so you can sit down. It's not easy. Like, go ahead. Go ahead. You gotta bring it down so Papa could tighten it.
Tighten the wheel.
The wheel. Keep going.
Any...
How you like the color on the brake again? I painted the whole brake system.
Start the car.
Brand new.
Brand new right there.
Yep.
Right.
Gotta do the front one. Now I finished both of the back ones. Now I gotta do the front. Keep going.
The tire is coming out.
It's coming down, but you gotta
The car
finish.
is
You
coming
tired?
down, Ari. Go, 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 go.
You want me to do it?
No.
You want
Ari.
me to do it?
Go do it, Ari.
Ari gets tired quick. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Ari gets tired quick. He's my helper, but he gets tired quick.
My God, Ari.
I'm doing the Ford Taurus.
You
Now
have
he's
no
reviewing
energy,
the
Ari?
Ford Taurus.
You are...
Driving. This is the front.
Ari, go away.
2.5 liter V6.
Mm-hmm.
You have to tighten the wheels. That's the hood.
That's the back of the car.
That's the left door.
Alright, I gotta make
Where's the tire?
gotta make the tire.
That's the left door. And this is my back door. Right? Is it unlocked?
Don't go in.
Is it unlocked?
We fixed the car, Ari.
But when do we have to start it?
Not yet, man. We got 2 more to go.
You're recording vlog?
Vlog? I'm not doing a vlog today. No.
Why?
Because I'm too busy right now. It's only me doing this.
Who's recording vlog?
It will have to be you or Mama. Because
No.
I
Yeah.
can't do this every...
I need a bigger one.
One is chilling. Just sitting and doing review. And Carlo working alone.
Reviewing this.
Why are you reviewing, Ari?
I'm reviewing myself.
Yourself? What do you mean? You reviewing? You
Start it on the... I'm gonna start it on your center.
The rest don't matter. Yeah, I'm gonna take this pads off, so...
red and blue.
Everybody got red. I want to do something different. And the Ford blue. Yep, now I'm just playing for now. Waiting for my other helper.
Can you hold my game, please?
Why?
Because you want it.
No, I don't want it.
This is small.
That's you helping? Huh?
I'm chilling.
Chilling?
I'm hanging out. I'm
Yeah?
doing,
Yes.
doing,
Oh, what?
Central Air is working nice, Mama.
We don't have a central air.
No, on the outside, on this.
We fixing Carlos' car.
No, right there we have a central air.
I don't think somebody using the central air right now.
When it's gonna turn off? When it needs to?
Uh-huh.
So it's a good 3-ton heat pump.
It's a brake, Ari.
It's a what?
Brake. The brake we do.
It's a brake we do right there. Tires.
Lord.
This is a 2014 Ford Taurus SEL.
And
Reviewing.
you reviewing.
Dude, driving when I'm
You're
longer.
gonna have to go get me the thing.
Thank God you have a
You're gonna have to go get me the thing that pushes.
pushes what? And where you put the grease?
It's turned on.
Oh, it's right here.
So Mom,
Yes.
that's a Goodman Central Air right there.
This one is, oh yeah, still I need more. I still gonna need. See, this one is like almost empty.
That's a Goodman Central Air.
So you put in there inside?
I'm gonna put inside in the thing, yeah, see? This one is like thicker grease, but whatever. This is high temp, so
Yes.
That's a Goodman Central Air, you said. Right, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
It is, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It is?
Yeah.
It is. You know that, Mama?
I don't know.
That is a Goodman.
So that what
yeah, it's what broke on
broke
the
the other one?
It's supposed to always stay loose
Goodman reciprocating.
in the hole. That hole is supposed, and sometimes because of the heat, it's a lot of heat.
Goodman.
It just gets corroded.
Which is running.
This one to go in. That's supposed to go in like that. I'll fill it up, clean up. I'll fill it up. Okay, and that's supposed to make that jump. It's not that bad because see, actually, oh yeah, this one's
So
stuck.
that's a Goodman heat pump.
Get me the thing.
It was.
So that's what you're doing?
There's a C-clamp. I'm pushing the pistons back in because I got new pads. Otherwise it won't fit. So I push, as I push this, the fluid gets pulled back into the reservoir on the
I
engine.
changed this compressor a few years ago.
See, it just closes it. See? There you go. It's all the way.
That's it?
Yep, I use this, I push this back. The problem is that now the bottom. Oh, it is moving, so that's good. Okay, so here we go. See this? Doesn't want to fit. This is supposed to move in, but it's not moving that good. There we go. See? Okay, and let's not
Now
forget.
you're done with the
Not yet. I'm gonna take out the top and add more grease. I need to put these clips. This is what helps the brakes open. These clips. This one. Oh Lord. So walnut fell there. My God, Karina, look at this.
So Mom,
This
yes.
is the hard part.
did you record on your phone?
See how that pushes the thing?
You did record on your phone.
But it's not on the hole, I
Can
don't
you
think.
play video?
I need a flat screwdriver. A flathead. Please.